Welcome to today's video, lads. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it is a beautiful summer's day, isn't it, waifu?
Yes.
By the way, I like your shirt. It says May, but in the incorrect spelling of your name. Anyways, if you can hear that beautiful sound in the distance, the cicadas. Well, I found a cicada. This guy's still alive. He's still on the ground. But I wanted to show you guys a pro trick here in Japan. Girls are absolutely petrified of bugs. Now, I know that's kind of normal in like every culture, but in Japan, what is the thing that girls hate the most? Moths, right? The little flying like moths. They will literally make a girl go crazy. Look. I just... Oh man, she's gonna hate me for this later. I'm gonna cop it. But literally, girls will freak out over the tiniest little moth. Look at how uncomfortable she is with me just holding this.
Fine. Moth is worse.
This is fine, really? Do you want to put your hand out and hold it?
No.
Just put it in your hair? It's okay, I would never do that to you. But yeah, this is a cicada. This is what's making all that noise in the background. Now this guy's probably dying because I found him on the ground, so he's probably already done the dirty with the female and saying goodbye. But we'll put him there for now. I think he's probably dead. He's dying. Yeah, it's a sad story. If he's still there, what should we name him if he's still there? This could be like our first real life child.
Zack.
Zack? I don't know if Baldy's gonna be upset that we just named this little guy after him who's kind of dying.
No.
I mean, they're kind of the same in size, so.
I didn't mean it that way.
You didn't mean it that way?
Yeah.
All right, let's come back and check up on him and see if he's still alive. I have my doubts. Hopefully he's still alive, little Zacky. All right, we're going to the hardware store and we're gonna go buy some things. What are we buying? Grass, manure, and fertilizer. Yeah. We're growing some new grass. We've been killing some like weeds and stuff in our backyard, so need to do that. Plus a bunch of other stuff. Haruka's at home shipping orders, well, packing orders. We still can't ship. Hopefully soon though, right? JP Post is killing us.
Yeah, well, it's not their fault.
No, it's not their fault. We're just waiting. It's such a tricky situation. But yeah, anyways, I've explained that enough in previous videos. If you guys want updates, follow me on Twitter. Let's get in the car and get to Unity. I just found Zack's brothers and sisters. Look at this guy. Oh my God, there's so many of them. Jeez. Let's see, is he alive? Let's try this one. Look at him go. Yeah, Zack wasn't that energetic, was he? Look at this one. Whoa, he's flying at you. You better watch out. She's literally petrified. Oh, I love Japan. What tarnation is going on here? Are we setting up for a race? We gotta get out of the way, there's a car. Alright, this is as fair as it's gonna be. How many cc's you got?
1200 cc's.
And I've got 20. Alright, let's go. Ready? Count down. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Alright, lads. What do you think of my outfit, babe? I have probably like the best YouTubing merch ever. I got a Mayheming shirt, I got an LZ hat, I got some Nike Crocs with some socks that rhymed. And oh my God, what happened to Zack? We never checked up on Zack. No, he's back down here.
Oh, we're going down?
Yeah, we gotta go find him.
Okay.
You gonna come? You gonna jump on?
No, I'm not jumping on that.
Alright, well, let's walk together then. We gotta go check up on our child. He should be around here somewhere. I think we put him like here, come on.
You stepped on him. You literally stepped on him. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's just have a quick funeral for him. We'll dispose of the body. He was good. He was a good cicada.
You know cicadas have like the most depressing life.
Yeah, because don't they like die the moment they mate? Oh, that means the last thing he did.
No, it gets worse. They only get to live down the soil for like 6 years. And the 7th year they come out They mate and then they die.
So the last thing he did was something kind of cool then.
Yeah, but
His
then
life's
they die.
purpose.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
I mean, if I think that's a pretty good way to go. Last thing, you know.
Yeah, 6 years though.
6 years in the dirt?
Yeah.
I mean, sounds like a party. Hanging out with everyone. Witchetty grubs. Who knows what witchetty grubs are? If you're an Aussie, you know what I'm talking about. The little big white things that you eat. Good things. Good tucker. All right. We were supposed to film at Uni-D at the warehouse, but I got distracted buying grass and manure. Today's vlog is just a mess. And now we're going back to Jeff's house to help him fix his S15 because he can't get his oil filter on.
I mean, typical Obon. Everyone's on.
Yeah, everyone's on break. Oh,
Break.
you know what we should do? We should do a vlog with my friend Content Master 64, and we can catch bugs with like the big net and everything.
Oh my gosh.
There's a special park built for just that here in
Why
Japan.
don't you fry them and
That's like
eat
an
them
anime
too?
thing. Everyone sees that in anime, right? People and kids run around with the nets and catch bugs.
Yeah.
Dude, in primary school, I used to catch all these grasshoppers on the oval, and I got in trouble one day because my jar was so full of like grasshoppers, and it was a glass jar. I got in trouble because I brought a glass jar to school, and that's dangerous. It was dangerous. It broke later, and I cut my foot. But it's beside the point. I was just trying to catch some bugs and have fun. Didn't everyone do that? All right, lads and ladettes, we are currently on our way to go save Jeff, our dear friend, who is stuck at home battling with his oil filter. His words to me literally were, I am literally playing Mortal Kombat with my oil filter on my S15. So we are heading to go save him. May's coming from emotional support. Not really, he just wants to hang out with Jeffy's waifu-chan. So waifu-chan and waifu-chan party, right? Tea party? Is that what you guys doing? Oh, no, we're just pulling, no, this is a PA, not an exit. It's fine, chill. We're just seeing if there's Starbucks here. I doubt there is, because I know it's the next one, but we want to check. Also, Flat Spot China is doing wonders for my back, FYI, if you couldn't sense the sarcasm. You can get a Family Mart coffee, will that be enough for you?
No, I don't like
You don't Family Mart coffee? Oh, Family Mart. As you can see in front of us, lads, beautiful Mount Fuji. Can we get that zoom, get that focus?
I'm trying.
Come on, Canon. Gambate, you got this.
Yeah, you see that top there? That one.
Yeah, you can kind of see it sticking up there.
That one.
Yeah. Anyways, I wish I was at the top of Fuji right now. You zoomed in on my face.
Yeah. You know, see, that's Mount Fuji there.
Oi. Alright, we're just having fun today. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Yeah, we're still on our way to save Jeff. In fact, we literally picked up the camera 5 seconds after ending the last clip because we saw Fuji. Let's go save Jeff. My name's Jeff. I'm gonna be like, hey Jeff, what's your name? What's your name? Say it. Say it. All his neighbors. He's gonna have Karens after I go visit him. What on earth is this thing? It's a Citron. My gosh, it looks like a tin can on wheels.
That's cool.
They make the weirdest cars. Mate, what have you done?
Oh boy.
Have you got it off yet?
I'm busted.
You can't get it out? You busted? You still haven't got it off?
I got the oil filter off.
You got it off?
I got the oil filter off, and we got other stuff going on.
Oh no, what'd you break?
I don't know, man. I think it might be a few things.
This is pretty cool.
Not bad, yeah?
Dude, I still can't get over how unmolested this chassis is. So nice.
Yeah.
If you guys remember Jeff, we caught up with him at Daikoku a few weeks ago, I think it was, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah. So this is the face behind Jitsu Motors, the guy I keep telling you guys, if you want to get a car exported out of Japan, he's your man.
man.
But let's jump into this SR and figure out what's going on. Not gonna lie, this is definitely bringing back some memories with this is Jeff's first car here in Japan. He's working in his driveway, figuring stuff out for the first time. He's never worked on a S15 before, and I don't even think he's even worked on an S chassis or an SR before, so he's learning. He had a lot of trouble with the oil filter. Now, a lot of you SR guys will know this, but there's a bracket that connects to the top of the intake manifold that then connects to the side of the block. Everyone just removes that and never puts it back on because it gives you access to the oil filter much easier and stuff. And when you're running like oil filter relocation kits and coolers and stuff, no one leaves that on. It's not really necessary. But In Jeff's case, that was just completely in the way. It's on there. This thing is unmolested, so none of that's been removed, and he just had a really bad time. But you can also obviously keep that on there if you want to keep, you know, be anal and keep that kind of stuff there. Anyways, I'm just helping him tick through everything. We've already made sure this thing's got oil pressure, the filter's full, plug the cam angle sensor back in, so this thing will be running soon. But yeah, just helping him with some maintenance and answering questions and stuff like that. Super basic stuff. And then we're going to go have dinner. I don't know what the girls are doing. They've gone out to go figure something out. But yeah, this is that bike we beat today in a race. It's kind of fun. This thing doesn't look like a 1200cc, hey. When I first looked at it, I thought it was like maybe a 450, like 500 maybe. Looks nice. And she's alive. I was thinking about getting a tool and making a rod knock sound, but I don't think I could do that to Jeff. He's so innocent. You happy? All right, let's go hit the toge. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Jeff.
That's never gonna get off. We're now heading home, lads, after an epic dinner at Jeff's house. Check out the super clean Hachiroku in front of me. There's literally like this little toge course up to Jeff's house. It's seriously the raddest thing ever. And then behind me is an old like 270Z, and it looks so cool. Anyways, you probably can't see it because it's night, but it's just cool. I love Japan. I literally see the sickest cars just driving around. Here's where I'm going to end today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I know it's like just completely random and all over the place, but I actually really enjoyed editing the video. Gave me a good couple laughs. Lots of cringe, lots of just random stuff, just super chill day, and that is literally all that Obon Week is about. It's just relaxing, having fun, and I really hope that you guys are able to kind of like get a sense of that and a feeling of what it's like to be able to take like a full week off like that kind of thing here in Japan. We've got a lot of stuff that we've got going on behind the scenes with paperwork and business registration stuff and things like that that are happening here in Japan, which is actually super exciting, which is like a whole nother level of, you know, me kind of upscaling what I'm doing with YouTube and the business as a sense, and you know, potentially getting a shop and you know, like expanding the merch store and getting all that kind of stuff like fully sorted out, and it's so exciting. It's mind-blowing. So keep an eye out. There's a bunch of stuff happening behind the scenes. Not too much car stuff at the moment, although I'm hoping to make it maybe this week to Ebisu Circuit to do some cool stuff up there with the Skyline. But we will see. Smash that like button, write us a comment, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out. Jamata.